Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing the 7 key differences between a cafe and a restaurant. First and foremost, let's talk about the atmosphere. Cafes tend to have a more relaxed and laid-back vibe, while restaurants often have a formal or upscale ambience. Next, let's focus on the menu. A cafe typically offers a variety of coffee, tea, and light snacks, whereas a restaurant has a more extensive menu including appetizers, entrees, and desserts. Moving on, cafes usually have counter service or a self-serve system, whereas restaurants offer table service. In terms of operating hours, cafes are known for opening early in the morning and closing in the early evening, while restaurants often stay open later into the night. Price-wise, cafes tend to be more affordable as they cater to a casual crowd, whereas restaurants can be pricier due to the higher quality ingredients and dining experience they provide. Another distinction lies in the time spent at each establishment. Cafes are often frequented for a quick coffee or snack, while restaurants invite guests to stay longer for a formal dining experience. Furthermore, cafes are commonly equipped with comfortable seating, cozy nooks, and free Wi-Fi, while restaurants prioritize table arrangements and a formal dining setting. Lastly, cafes are often seen as a meeting place or a spot for individuals to relax alone, while restaurants are often chosen for special occasions or social gatherings. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this breakdown of the differences between cafes and restaurants helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.